friends, welcome to my channel Make It Easy. Today I will show you a simple shrimp or prawn starter recipe which you will love if you're a seafood fan like me. To start with the process, in a bowl take around 20 pieces of shrimp. These are medium sized shrimp. We need to marinate it for at least 30 minutes. First add 2 teaspoons of oil. Here I am using mustard oil. You can use any oil, any other oil. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Add 1.5 teaspoon of salt. You can adjust it according to your taste. And here I'm going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of fish masala, or you can use chicken masala also. And here comes the main ingredient, 4 to 5 curry leaves torn into small pieces. It will bring the nice aroma and taste for this dish. And here is the 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Here I'm using half teaspoon in the marination and half teaspoon I will use it at the end. Now mix it well and let it sit for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, switch on the stove and keep the pan on a medium flame. Once the pan is hot, add 1 teaspoon of oil, again mustard oil, and remember we have used 2 teaspoons of oil in the marination. Once oil is hot, add half a teaspoon of jeera, that is cumin seeds, and half cup of chopped onion, and mix it well. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, add the marinated shrimp. Mix it well and cook for 7 to 10 minutes until it is completely cooked. After a couple minutes, you can see that shrimp started oozing out water. Mix it well in between and cook it for 7 more minutes. After 10 minutes, you can see it is totally dried out. At this point of time, add half teaspoon of garam masala powder and chopped coriander or cilantro, and switch off the flame, and it's ready to serve. You can eat this dish in starter or with chapatis. You can also have it with hot rice and rasam. It will taste heaven. And you can add them in your tacos to make your tacos spicy. Like this recipe and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more easy recipes and many more upcoming videos. Don't forget to click on the bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload new videos. Thank you again and signing off.